conclusion I have written, but here missing the conclusion. In conclusion, same thing. What we have to write here, maybe it has gone in another page. Anyway, everyone listen how to write the conclusion. You write your conclusion below this table. In conclusion, you have to write thus. From the result of above table, we can conclude that the goals are bisect the vertices. Bisect the vertices. Everyone. Okay. Here down. Here down. Below tab. Maybe it is moved to the another page. So here I could not find. Anyway, you have to write the conclusion. Don't write from the figure. Don't write. Many of you are writing from the figure. You are writing. So here, section E. Are you listening me? Hello?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, last time I provided the Google class code for section DF, but the section D is divided. So I am providing this time new code. You look in the screen. Have you seen in the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
note down everyone. Class code I have written here is 55D4XI. Everyone note down and submit your assignment in this code, class code, not in DEF.
Okay, sir.
Okay, once again, let's see here. Once again, we have to verify here diagonals of a square bisects the vertices. So how to do it? Everyone look. Okay. Draw three squares ABCD with different sizes. You look, as in the screen. Draw diagonals AC and BD in each square intersecting at point O. Not only in one figure. In all the figures, you draw the diagonals AC and BD intersecting at O. Now after this, measure the required angles with the help of protractor. To measure the angle, you need to use protractor and tabulate their measurements in the table. The table here having three columns. I have drawn the table here. First column for the figure, second column is for the name of vertices, and third column is for the parts of vertices. You have to draw figure like this. Your figure must be matched. Everyone. Everyone. Do immediately. And here if you measure the vertices, ABC you will get 90 degree, BCD also you will get 90 degree, CDA also you will get 90 degree, DAB also you will get 90 degree. Otherwise, the figure is not square. Already you know the properties of square. You have learned in junior class also. These things are not new. And now parts of vertices. Okay, you look parts of vertices. What happened? These three guys, Utsav Dangal. Hey, Utsav. Utsav. Utsav Dangal. Hey, Utsav Dangal. Why joining so late? How you can learn like this?
So he is not.
Huh? He is not here. He has not joined.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sincere. This is not like other class. Finally, you have to attend in the standard exam. So from the beginning, be sincere. Otherwise, you have to face the problems. Utsab Dangal still, what's doing this boy? Huh?
What class code is that?
Huh?
That class code, which class code?
Class code, you look here in the screen and note down.
Google Classroom.
Yeah. What for this class code?
Sir, now if we submit in old one, you won't check, yes?
Yeah.
Oh, we
I
can
won't check.
delete that previous one.
Yeah, I won't check. So you have to use this new because they are may join there from section D also. That's not my part. My part is only E and EF. So now after this, okay. For example, find the value of x, y, and z. If there are only two things you have to find, just find two things. In figure A, just you have to find two things, x and y. But in figure B, you have to find all the three things, all the three unknown things, x, y, and z. You look here, both of first figure is the figure of rectangle. Second figure also figure of rectangle. Everyone look here in the screen. So here find the value of x, y, z. Here value of x, y, z. In the first figure you have to find the length of the side. You look here x length of the side, y also length of the side. But in figure B, x degree, y degree, z degree, all of them are angles. So by the same thing, by the same alphabet, we can represent two things. Not only two things. We can represent many things. We can suppose for many things. Here in the first figure, we have to find the sides. But in the second figure, we have to find the angles. So its solution, how to find the solution? You look here, A number. Here, AB equal to 8 centimeter, AD equal to 6 centimeter, CD equal to X equal to how much? BC equal to Y equal to how much? We have to find two things, X and Y. Since the given figure is rectangle, Y rectangle, you look, there are two angles 90 degree. Look the notation there. And you look here, notation opposite sides equal. Opposite sides equal and two angles 90 degree. Two angles also not necessary. If only one angle is 90 degree and the opposite sides are equal, that is rectangle. You know the properties of rectangle. You have to identify yourself. Here is not said anything. Whether it is square or rectangle or rhombus or trapezium, nothing is said. But you have to identify yourself. From the given things, you have to identify yourself. Because already you have learned. You have to use the properties also. Using the properties also, you can find here. You know, if one of the angles of a quadrilateral is 90 degree and opposite sides are equal, that is rectangle. That is rectangle. So here, since the given figure is rectangle, to AB. Now we are going to find the sides, length of the sides. You look here. DC equal to AB. Opposite sides of, you look here. Opposite sides of what? Rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangle means opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal, not necessary to write. Just write in short opposite sides of rectangle. Or DC equal to 8 centimeter. Why centimeter? Because AB equal to 8 centimeter. So DC equal to 8 centimeter. Actually DC means X. So therefore X equal to 8 centimeter. Now second, BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD. Why? Opposite sides of rectangle. Here also same. Because value of equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, BC equal to 6 centimeter. But here Y is missing. I forgot to erase this BC after this step. Therefore, Y equal to 6 centimeter. You write. Are you clear?
Yes,
Clear or
yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Here BC.
Yes, sir.
Actually, our duty is not to find the BC. Our duty is to find Y. But if you know Y, BC, then you know Y. BC is Y. So one step is missing here. Here like X. How X is written here? Similarly here below this BC you write. Therefore Y equal to 6 centimeter you write. I think you understood. Now come
Yes,
to the B
sir.
number. Now come to the B number. Here we have to, first of all, given things you write. Angle EAG equal to 90 degree. It is given. It is given. All I'm writing because your notation, you look here, this notation shows, indicates this is 90 degree. Since the given figure is rectangle. Why angle? You look, opposite sides are parallel here. Opposite sides are parallel. One of the angle is 90 degree. Then it is rectangle. Opposite sides are parallel. This is parallel to this and this FG is parallel to EH. So now what are given? You write here. Angle ACF equal to angle EFG equal to angle FGH equal to angle EHG equal to 90 degree. All the angles of a rectangle are equal and all are equal to 90 degree. You look. In rectangle, if one of the angle is 90 degree, all the angles 90 degree, you look here. ACF means this X. This EFG means Y. And this FGH means FGH. Okay, means this angle. And GHE or EHG already given that. This angle already given. It is EHG. All of them are equal to 90 degree. All the angles of a rectangle are equal and all are equal to 90 degree. So you look here, X equal to Y equal to Z equal to 90 degree. Because angle ACF means X, angle EFG means Y, angle FGH means Z. So in place of ACF, you write X. In place of EFG, you write Y. In place of FGH, you write Z. All of them equal to 90 degree. Like this you have to find. I think you got the idea.
Sir,
Okay.
can you explain this B number
Yes,
once
sir.
again?
B number.
B number once again, can you explain?
Okay, everyone listen carefully. You hear? This is the figure is EFGS. And here angle S is given here 90 degree here. This is 90 degree, notation of 90 degree already you know this. Yeah? And you will hear parallel sign. This parallel to this and this parallel to this. I have cursor. You look here. Are you looking?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you
Yes,
look here.
sir.
This, yeah. So you look here. One of the angle is 90 degree and this side is parallel to this and this side is parallel to this. Only parallel. Only parallel means if one of the angle is 90 degree and opposite sides are parallel, that is rectangle. What is that? Rectangle.
That is
But all
rectangle.
the sides are not equal. Here all the sides are not equal. You look here. EF is longer than EH. Not same. You look, breadth and length not same. Not same. So it is clear it is rectangle. When a quadrilateral becomes rectangle, when a quadrilateral becomes rectangle, if one of the angle of a quadrilateral is 90 degree and opposite sides are parallel, then that is rectangle. That becomes rectangle. So you remember the properties. You remember, always you need in every class. If you forgetting these properties, you cannot solve the problem. So like this, you look here, using properties we are finding here. So here, if one of the angles of a rectangle is equal to 90 degree, you know the properties, all the angles are 90 degree. All the angles are 90 degree parallel. To be parallel, you look here, in the case of rectangle, this angle must be 90, this x also must be 90, this also must be 90, this also must be 90 degree. So remember the properties of rectangle. All the angles of rectangle are 90 degree. In the case of square also, all the angles of square are 90 degree. Remember. So here, since the given figure is rectangle, angle ACF equal to angle EFG equal to angle FGH equal to angle EFG equal to, all of them are equal. Why are they are equal? Because all of them are 90 degree. So they are equal. All of them are 90 degree. So they are equal. So you can write here, in place of angle ACF, you replace by X. In place of EFG, you replace by Y. In place of FGH, you replace by Z. So all of them are equal to 90 degree. Just we are getting from here. Look, just we are using the properties. Properties of rectangle. So you open the book once again and look in the page. You look here, page number. You look in 21, what are there in the properties? Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, all the sides of rectangle are equal, or each angle is 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree means what? All angles 90 degree. Once again, you go back in page number 21 and remember at the top of page number 21, you look, and there are 4 properties given. The diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other, the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. But here, already we have verified also. You forgot. You forgot. You are not revising. Everyone, you revise again and again. All these things already you have done. To forget is very easy. Not to remember. You have to revise time to time. To forget, nothing to do. So, maths depends on practice, revision, not like other subject. Time to time. Always revise. For a month, if you are not in the book, maths book, you will forget. You will forget 50%. Remember. So need more revision. Okay. So I think our time also almost going to finish. So next time I think I'll start another topic. So everyone, you do this exercise assignment. You look in the screen. Assignment exercise 2.3, page number 25. 1, 2, 3, 3 all 4 number. You look 3 number. You need to do 3 number. They are all figures. That type of problem you have to do more and more. You need it. Okay, everyone. So today almost time is finished. Okay.